Hello everyone, welcome to VT Security. This is CyberJust. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a VPS for bug hunting or penetration testing recon process, or we can say information gathering process. As we require a high amount of data, so that's why we will use a VPS. This video is not sponsored by DigitalOcean or any other VPS providers because they don't sponsor new or small YouTubers. But the reason why I'm choosing it Digital Ocean, because it gave free $200 credit for 60 days, and for referral link you can use any of my video as I have posted it there. So let's start after the intro. So here we are. This is the landing page for Digital Ocean. We can use just go on Google and search for Digital Ocean, and here it's our $200 credit. Okay, you can use by my referral, and you will get this. So let's sign up, and here there is the option for sign up with Google, GitHub and email. But here I'm using my default Google account, but not the VT security account. That will I will need my another account. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, it's done, and it's just checking for that I'm bot or not. And here it's for payment information, like that the person who is using is the person, a human or a bot. So we will just verify it with either a PayPal or a card. Here the card means either your debit card or credit card. It's a single VPS provider which support debit card payment. So I'm using my debit card for this payment information. Okay, you can use your any card is there, that didn't care what card you have, either Master, Maestro, Visa or Rupee, all will work, and it will cost you $1 or 82 rupees, but it's just for checking and it will be revert back. Okay, so let me enter my card details. Yeah, I've it's created. Now let me first create a droplet. Okay, here it is created. Now let's create. We will be using our New York or San Francisco. Let's check for we'll go with New York server. Okay, it is a fast. Yeah, we will be using Ubuntu as our OS. You can use any Linux distro. It has for Linux it has 6 distros, but I will be using Ubuntu, and then a basic plan, then regular plan with $12 per month. As I have $200 credit, so I'll be using 8 droplets of $12, so I can use it wisely. So you can also use it wisely. So don't create a bigger droplet size. As for Recon process or whatever we can use, if 2 GB and 2 TV transfer is okay, then we will be using SSH key. For the SSH key part, we will create our SSH key with Windows. You can use it in your Linux too. And for creating SSH key, we will just we have given the command here. We will copy this command and paste it in our command promote. Okay, I have copied it here. Now let me open command promote. We will be using it as an administrator because it gives us some good access. Yeah, it's open. Now I'll paste and just enter. He is asking for key pair. We will just click enter. It is asking for a destination or directory where we want to paste, but we will be using the default. Enter, and now it's created. Okay. Now we will go to this part and like cd and copy paste the path. We are here. Then we will use dir command for listing the directories available here. See, we have here our files, and for opening it in Linux, it's just we will use a cat command to see what it's inside. But for Windows, we will go to that folder and open that. Okay. Yeah, here it is. We will open the pub file with a notepad, and let's wait it to open. Yeah, it's open. We will copy the our command and paste it in our part here where we have to put, and then we will give the name to root and add ssh key. Now we will just create our droplet. Everything is fine. I'm creating just one droplet right now, and then we will click on create droplet. It will take some time. Then let me fast forward it from here. Yeah, our droplet is created. Now for connecting, we will copy our key from here, our IP address here, and then go to command promote, then type ssh root at the rate our IP address, and then hit enter. It will ask for some authentication. We will put give the command yes and then enter. You can use your for Linux you can use root terminal, and for Windows you can use PowerShell, command promote, or putty server, whatever you like to do. Okay, so this is created, and we will update our droplet with apt update and apt upgrade. It will take some time, not much. Yeah, so this is the video for how to create your first droplet in DigitalOcean, and that is also for free of cost, as $80 will be